Good morning, students. This is the fifth session of 7th standard mathematics. In 7th standard, I am teaching integers. As you all know, already I have solved 5 questions from the exercise 1.1, and this is the 6th question. You can download the textbook PDF format of a textbook from the link given in the description box. Please go through that and download the textbook. It will help you a lot. Now, this 6th question I will read for you. Afterwards, we will solve this 6th question here. This is the end of the verbal problems in exercise 1.1. Afterwards, there will be no verbal problems. Okay, I will read. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? This is the first question. Then, by which integer will you represent her final position from A? You can observe 20 km towards east, then towards west. You can see two opposite words, east and west, and already they are mentioning that if the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, they are only giving indication to take the distance towards east as a positive integer. Then what you are going to do with the west? If east is a positive, west will become negative. Before writing our first answer, let's draw one picturized form of this question. Even this line is given in the textbook also. Let us say this as a east, this as a west. Let A be the initial position of Rita. Rita starts her journey from point A. Rita goes 20 km towards east. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east. Okay, let us say that point B. So the distance between A and B is 20 km from east. From a point A to the point B. From B again she continues her travel. From B she moves 30 km towards west. Now from B she moves 30 km, means she has to cross this point A, because from B to A is 20 km. Now she will cross this point A and she will reach some other point. Okay. Now she covers how much? 30 km. Okay, from here to here is a 30 km, and it is not given. We will take this final position as a C for our convenience. For the solving purpose, we have to take. We will give one name for it. That is a C. Now, okay. Then which first question is distance towards if distance towards east is taken as a positive, then distance towards west will be taken as a negative. Now this is our first solution. Now we will move to our second solution. By which integer will you represent her final position from A? By which integer you are going to tell her final position? What is the Rita's final position? Her final position is C. She started her journey from A to B by covering a 20 km distance. Then from B She moved to C in west direction by covering a 30 kilometers. So her final position is a C. Now how you are going to represent her final position? Using in the form of integers. In the form of a integer. So first we have to write. See, already we mentioned towards east as a positive, towards west as a positive. Now I will write from A to B. From A to B. Sorry, from A to B is towards which direction? East. Therefore, AB will become what? Plus 20 kilometer. Plus 20. Now, from B to C is in which direction? West direction. How much gap? 30 kilometers. So BC will become what? BC will become minus 30 kilometers because it is towards the west. And if you write minus, no need to tell it is a east or west because minus only represents it's in west direction. Plus shows it is in a east direction. Now we will move one step ahead. Actually, we want what we want? We want her final position from her starting point. Means we want AC. We want a AC. If we go one step further, AB is plus 20. Then what will BA will become? BA is also 20 kilometers, but direction is in this direction. Therefore, BA will become minus 20. Minus 20 kilometer. BA will become minus 20 kilometer. BC is plus minus 30 kilometer, but CB is from C to B is also 30 kilometer, but in which direction? East direction now. Therefore, CB will become plus 30 kilometer. And what we need to calculate? We need to calculate AC. AC. What is Rita's final position, that is C from her starting point A. As therefore we need to calculate AC. So AC means BC minus BA. In BC, if you remove BA, what you will get? You will get AC. This is a general. By looking at the diagram only you can tell. Therefore, AC is nothing but the BC minus BA. What is BC? BC is how much? Minus 30. This minus is because of this formula. Okay, minus. Maybe I go. Look here. AC is equal to BC minus BA. Now, BC is minus 30. This minus is because of the equation. Then now BA. What is BA? AB is plus 20, but we don't want AB. We want BA. BA means minus 20. Now, as we have studied in 6th standard, we have to remove the brackets for A calculation. Outside nothing means plus. Plus into minus is minus 30 will come outside. Now, to open this bracket, minus into minus is plus. This 20 will come. Now what we have two integers in front of us. Minus 30 and plus 20, both are of different signs, but there is no multiplication sign, there is no integer sign. One is negative, another one is a positive integer. Therefore, what you have to do? You have to subtract smaller number from a greater number. 30 minus 20 will give you 10. And which sign we have to give? The greater number sign. Among 30 and 20, greater is 30. So its sign is minus. So answer will get a minus 10 kilometer. What do you mean by minus 10 kilometer? Minus 10 kilometer means what? 10 kilometer towards west. Therefore, final position is 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer towards west. Okay, this is the answer, minus 10 kilometer. You can write one sentence. Rita's final position is 10 kilometer towards west. Okay, thank you one and all. In next session I will continue this exercise only. Thank you.